Senator Dre reporting live from 79 10th Street. Yes, 79 10th Street. I'm walking to the store to get myself something to eat because I'm starving like I'm Marvin. Look at the snow. And now, my balls are about to freeze up. It's nice outside. Got a couple of inches, like 6 to 8. No good. God damn. I need the bread and milk. I need the bread and milk. I need to get the bread and milk. The bread and milk. It's coming down strong. Like really strong. Like strong the bomb. Taking a trip to 7-Eleven. Might get a little tour. You whores. I'm not calling people whores. That's just a word in the dictionary. Oh! My eye! This is... It's so quiet. It's kind of like the zombie apocalypse. With no zombies. Apocalyptic waistband. Yes, this video will be better than Sandy. Yes, the power didn't went down. My hands are freezing cold. Look at that. Footsteps. There's people out here. Oh, it's cold. Oh. Love you guys. Stay safe out there. I will walk 100 miles and miles and miles and miles more. I pay my dues time after time. And something. It's going in my fuck. Wait. My effing mind. Sorry for cursing, folks. I pay my dues time after time. Bum 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 bum. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, Barracuda. Oh, my phone's on 20%. Look at that new plane in the old story. That's for part 2. For part 2, it will be on the other side by facing forward, you guys.